He goes them as a hunchback hooked to the fires. Barry says, ladies do, usual please, make that two. Proper pill, colour blue, took her back.
Can't take this. Yo, can't take this no more, bro. Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S Gamer here with another reaction. Today we're here with the G them again, Pete and Bass, with Windowframe Cypher Part 2 featuring the Snooker team. So this one was brought to me, was in my DM. I check my DM. I don't often check my DM, but when I do come across some nice messages and some stuff. So Joshua Hart, big up yourself, bro. You was the one that messaged me this morning early and said you want to see my reaction to this. So I thought, okay, why not? I'm at home. I'm not feeling well, as you can hear my voice. I've got the man flu, got the cold. But I've got enough energy just about to do this one. So let's jump here tonight. Joshua, big up yourself, my bro. Let's go straight into this one and see what the G them say. Because you know my ratings for these two are big, right? So Pete and Bass, big up yourself. The Snooker team, big up yourself. Let's go, man. Let's go.
9-1.
Hello, love. Come and have a drink with the boys in the pub. Get lit, get touched with a biscuit crunch. I'll end this fun when I pull that plug.
Hold on. Guys, my voice is crackly. It sound like a frog. I'm sorry, but we're going. Let me just say, if I was any of these three guys just walk past him and see him dancing like that, I would actually turn around like this and look at him to see what the hell is going on. I wouldn't just ignore it. I wouldn't. There they are. These three guys here. I wouldn't ignore it. I would watch him. Let me dance.
Hello, girl. Hello, love. Come and have a drink with the boys in the pub. Get lit, get touched with a biscuit crunch. I'll end this fun when I pull that plug. It's internet P, my connections plush, and I'm feeling lush. Like a lady blush when I lift that clutch, and I feed them chicks like a baby duck. Broke a brick down and dish. Biscuit crunch, I'll end this fun when I pull that plug. It's internet P, my connections plush, and I'm feeling lush. Like a lady blush when I lift that clutch, and I feed them chicks like a baby duck. Broke a brick down and dish that crab dough back in the molar. Since like is that money in the bag and split that whip back round in a stolen mower.
Every time he starts, he just goes straight in. Boom, kick the door in. Boom, running, ready. Never disappoints.
Like a lady blush when I lift that clutch, and I feed them chicks like a baby duck. Broke a brick down and dish that crab dough back in the molar. Since like is that money in the bag and split that whip back round in a stolen mower. This deagle comes with a kickback, knick-knack, paddywhack, bird with a big back. Throw that bone, got chrome in a rucksack, stepped on a Birkenstocks and he got knocked over. The car doors off, took that home with the windows down while I shout and scream.
Who that? The G Norman? Sir Norman? Big up yourself, sir. You are my uncle. You are my crazy psycho uncle. Pete and Bass is my granddad from both sides of the family. That's my family tree right there. And I'm sticking to it. That's my family tree right there.
Fun when I pull that plug. It's internet P, my connections plush, and I'm feeling lush. Like a lady blush when I lift that clutch, and I feed them chicks like a baby duck. Broke a brick down and dish that crab dough back in the molar. Since like is that
break a brick down and dish that. So basically, it matter about it.
It's internet P, my connections plush, and I'm feeling lush. Like a lady blush when I lift that clutch, and I feed them chicks like a baby duck. Broke a brick down and dish that crab dough back in the molar. Since like is that money in the bag and split that whip back round in a stolen mower. This deagle.
He's always singing about stolen motor. Him like thief car. Yeah, car thief. You have to stop it, granddad. Stop the car thiefing. Not good.
Comes with a kickback, knick-knack, paddywhack, bird with a big back. Throw that bone, got chrome in a rucksack, stepped on a Birkenstocks and he got knocked over. The car doors off, took that home with the windows down while I shout and scream. Built like a Volvo Escort, bog my mass with a bowl of grains and beans. Humble price for the rocks and powder.
It needs some water. Wait. I don't want to laugh. Wait. Oh, fuck.
This deagle comes with a kickback, knick-knack, paddywhack, bird with a big back. Throw that bone, got chrome in a rucksack, stepped on a Birkenstocks and he got knocked over. The car doors off, took that home with the windows down while I shout and scream. Built like a Volvo Escort, pog my mask with a bowl of grains and beans.
I'm sorry. Yo, it's bad, don't get me wrong, his lyrics is sick. But it's the way how he's acting. It's fucking psycho, it's cuckoo. It's cuckoo. Yeah, that's his name. I love him though. I do love him though. Oh, let's go, man.
In a rucksack, stepped on a Birkenstocks and he got knocked over. The car doors off, took that home with the windows down while I shout and scream. Built like a Volvo Escort, pog my mask with a bowl of grains and beans. Humble price for the rocks and powders, wrapped up tight in my Nike trousers. Windmill fist to another man's face and he won't wake up for the next 6 hours.
Shuriken stars in the blow gun dog. When I find that man, I'ma take his soul. Break his neck with a lightning bolt. Top up my mountain bike and go.
What? Where do you do this? Who this?
Windmill fist to another man's face and he won't wake up for the next 6 hours.
Shuriken stars in the blow gun dog. When I find that man, I'ma take his soul. Break his neck with a lightning bolt. Top up my mountain bike and go. You don't wanna war with PKJ. You get jabbed in the eye with the viper's blow. Took your wife out for Greg's and Mike.
Yo, he's bad. Fucking Snooker team.
Windmill fist to another man's face and he won't wake up for the next 6 hours.
Shuriken stars in the blow gun dog. When I find that man, I'ma take his soul. Break his neck with a lightning bolt. Top up my...
Sorry to keep passing, but it seems like it's not him singing, but me know him a sing. But it seems like the voice doesn't match the fucking face, dog.
Up tight in my Nike trousers. Windmill fist to another man's face and he won't wake up for the next 6 hours.
Shuriken stars in the blow gun dog. When I find that man, I'ma take his soul. Break his neck with a lightning bolt. Top up my mountain bike and go. You don't wanna war with PKJ. You get jabbed in the eye with the viper's blow. Took your wife out for Greg's and Mike. We made love in the bus ride home.
Calling the heart.
No, he's not singing. I know him a sing this. I know him a sing that. No one can tell me that's him singing that. No, he's not. He's not singing that.
Up for the next 6 hours.
Shuriken stars in the blow gun dog. When I find that man, I'ma take his soul. Break his neck with a lightning bolt. Top up my mountain bike and go. You don't wanna war with PKJ. You get jabbed in the eye with the viper's blow. Took your wife out for Greg's and Mike. We made love in the bus ride home.
Calling the heart of a raging rhino. It's my time to go. Just back the girl that I met on the internet quite some time ago.
What? Yo, my voice is not here right now. I shouldn't be doing this reaction, dog. Yo!
Took your wife out for Greg's and Mike. We made love in the bus ride home.
Calling the heart of a raging rhino. It's my time to go. Just back the girl that I met on the internet quite some time ago. Looking nice, smelling fresh, dressed to impress in my 3-piece, yes.
Looking nice, smelling fresh, just to impress us.
Calling the heart of a raging rhino. It's my time to go. Just back the girl that I met on the internet quite some time ago. Looking nice, smelling fresh, dressed to impress in my 3-piece, yes. Took his queen like a game of chess, Barry White and the wine, had time to have sex.
Grabbed his face and I pulled his tongue out. Yep, the man was done out. One slice and his gut just hung out. Clean my boots, but I can't get him out.
Yo, fuck off, man, you. Fuck off, brother. Fuck off, that. What the fuck is happening, dog? Like, who is this? Yo. Hold on, man. Wait, sorry. Yo. Hold on, man. Sorry. I'm not even editing that out. I am keeping it there. What the fuck?
Calling the heart of a raging rhino. It's my time to go. Just back the girl that I met on the internet quite some time ago. Looking nice, smelling fresh, dressed to impress in my 3-piece, yes. Took his queen like a game of chess, Barry White and the wine, had time to have sex.
Grabbed his face and I pulled his tongue out. Yep, the man was done out. One slice and his gut just hung out. Clean my boots, but I can't get him out. My fuck's sight, lit a man's head like a birthday cake. Then he got hung like fishing bait. Used him as a punchbag hook to the floats.
Yo, this is my family. Yo, invite me home. Family. Yo, guys. Yo, I had them, man. We love them. Yo, what the fuck, dog?
Man was done out. One slice and his gut just hung out. Clean my boots, but I can't get him out. My fuck's sight, lit a man's head like a birthday cake. Then he got hung like fishing bait. Used him as a punchbag hook to the floats. Barry says, ladies do, usual please, make that two. Proper pill, colour blue, took her back.
Can't take this. Yo, can't take this no more, bro. What the fuck,
Then he got hung like fishing bait. Used them as a punch bag hooked to the fires. Barry says, ladies do. Usual, please make that two.
Yo, let me give up, bro. Why is this reaction taking so long, dog? It's nearly 10 minutes. Why are you taking so long?
To the fires. Barry says, ladies do. Usual, please make that two. Pop a pill, colour blue. Took her back, sonic boom. Barry's on a bender. Boonder, Langer. I scored like December. Pull up in the Land Rover Defender.
Joshua, bro, why you messaging me to react to this right now? Bro, I'm sick, dog. I'm not well, bro. Why the fuck you message me with this, bro? Like, come on, G, you shouldn't do that, bro. That's out of order. That is disrespectful. I don't like it.
Boonder, Langer. I scored like December. Pull up in the Land Rover Defender. Hey girl, do you feel me? So what? You wanna come wheel me? Look, darling, we can go one more time, but you know that it might just kill me. Now I'm willing to die for Nash, Christian girl, Bible bash.
I'm willing to die for Nash. Willing to die for pussy, Christian girl, Bible basher.
Hey girl, do you feel me? So what? You wanna come wheel me? Look, darling, we can go one more time, but you know that it might just kill me. Now I'm willing to die for Nash, Christian girl, Bible bash. I'll bring the drink, you supply the ash. Don't tell the wife she having heart attack.
Yo, this verse is sick. This is verse is sick. But I just
Barry's on a bender. Boonder, Langer. I scored like December. Pull up in the Land Rover Defender. Hey girl, do you feel me? So what? You wanna come wheel me?
white girl, do you feel me? So what? You wanna come wheel me? Wheel me in a wheelchair, matter.
Look, darling, we can go one more time, but you know that it might just kill me.
Basically, him can go do a thing, but obviously him all him not really too healthy, so it might just kill him, yeah.
Now I'm willing to die for Nash, Christian girl, Bible bash. I'll bring the drink, you supply the ash. Don't tell the wife she having heart attack.
Christian girl, like I mentioned before, Bible basher. And then I say, yo, he will supply the ash and the residue for the weed. If we supply the ash, please don't tell my wife. So.
Christian girl, Bible bash. I'll bring the drink, you supply the ash. Don't tell the wife she having heart attack.
Don't tell the wife she got have a heart attack. She bring the drink, he bring the ash.
One hit of the biff that lifted, blouses that I'm twisted. Chunks of tire shifted, splashed on the ass, I'm nicely twisted. Magnum pint of whiskey, oh, you go just kiss me. Oh, but it's a cheap.
What the fuck off, man? Yo, I done this reaction. Yo, I done this fucking reaction right this minute. Yo, I done this reaction, bro. Like, seriously, dog. I'm gonna finish this
lifted,
reaction.
blouses that I'm twisted. Chunks of tire shifted, splashed on the ass, I'm nicely twisted. Magnum pint of whiskey, oh, you go just kiss me. Oh, but it's a cheap misty, chucked her like a bleeding frisbee.
End of the line when I step in the building, reach for the sky, mate, doing your told. I ain't joking, I will smoking what I wanna do for a Marlboro Gold.
What the fuck is going on, bro?
For the sky, mate, doing your told. I ain't joking, I will smoking what I wanna do for a Marlboro Gold. Billy on my magpie. The boys have a knife for the shiny things, silver chains and golden bangles, black watches, diamond rings.
Get your snooker themed t-shirt now at PeteandBaz.com.
Yo, Pete and Bass, message me on DM again and send me one of these t-shirts, please. I want to need it in black, please. Yeah, Pete and Bass, link me, with the merch. Yo, Joshua, I don't like you. I do not like you for this. You make me laugh today when I'm ill and I'm not well, and so for that reason I don't like you. Big up the Snooker team, big up Pete and Bass, as usual, Windowframe, Cypher. Yo, this is classic. Why it doesn't have more views? Why it doesn't have more views than this, bro? How much views when I react to it? 147,000. Why it doesn't have any more views, bro? My question is, who have the best verse on this? Which guy have the best verse? I like the guy in the wheelchair. I think his verse, for me, was I could be wrong, but the guy in the wheelchair, I don't know their names. I don't know them name, but I do like the guy in the wheelchair, and I do like Norman verse as well. But they all went crazy. They all did their thing. Oh shit. Bro. Yeah, the guy that was singing also that I keep pulling, that was dancing in the suit. I like his singing as well. I couldn't believe that was him singing. Bro, this is how I'm gonna leave that one, dog. If you enjoy that one, I want to see more reaction from your G. Link me on it. Just leave it in the comment section, yo, and let me know who have the best verse on this. This is how I'm gonna leave the one, yeah. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace. Yo, shit, bro.